When we're moved by a story, we often say it pulled at our heartstrings. And that is actually where I feel it in my body. I don't know where others feel it. But scientists have discovered there's something else going on inside our bodies. Our brain chemistry is altered. They find that in the lab, when people are moved by a story, they see a spike in these three hormones. So oxytocin, the love hormone, it's the chemical behind human connection. Cortisol, which is part of our alarm system, it captures and sharpens our attention, and dopamine, which helps us focus and process and remember information. And they also find that the brain waves of the people tracking the story mirror the brain waves of the people in the story. There's a scientific term for this: narrative transportation. And I find this pretty incredible. What it means is that if we craft stories really well, we can cause people to secrete hormones that in turn cause our brains to mirror the emotions and behaviors of the characters in the story. And this is how we can harness storytelling to change people's attitudes and behavior. But stories have to have a few key elements in order to do this. Today, I am going to share a storytelling method I've developed that will enable you to achieve narrative transportation across the stories you tell in marketing, in fundraising, leading and managing, parenting, really all forms of human interaction. Because at heart, it's about empathy, being responsive to, understanding the needs and feelings of others so that you can activate those powerful chemicals of connection within all of us.